Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can delete your Shein account permanently. Now to do that, what you need to do is first open the Shein application and get logged into the account of yours. Now once you're at the home page, you need to go to the profile of yours. Tap on profile. There on the profile, you tap on the setting icon on the top right, tap on setting. Now once you're at the setting page, what you need to do is go and tap on manage my account. Tap that. In the manage my account, you will find delete option just below the change password. You tap on delete account. There you will be provided with the information what you need to do before you delete your account. Now tap on apply to delete account. If you want to delete all your personal data, your account will also be deleted. With this, Shein will send you a deletion request link to your registered email address. You need to go and check out your mail. Tap open Gmail. There's the Shein mail on top, tap that. There's the information that you need to go through before you delete your account, and you scroll down to the very end of the mail. There you have the delete data, tap that. And with that, your account deletion is completed and you no longer have an account on Shein. Now what you need to do is you need to type in the email address of yours, tap on continue, then type in the password, tap on sign in. Now once that's done, personal data deletion request. Here is the information you need to know, that is you can recover your account within the 30 days time period. After 30 days, your account will be closed permanently and you will no longer have the access to the Shein account anymore. Now if that's what you want and you are sure that you want to delete your account, you tap on I understand, delete, proceed, tap that. Successfully applied. Now your account has been deleted and your data will be deleted within 30 days. If you want to reactivate it, you just log into the account and the account will be reactivated and you can use it again. Tap on understand, proceed anyway, and with that you no longer have your account anymore. If you go to the Shein application, you can see you have been logged out as well. So this is a way how you can permanently delete your Shein account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.